What if I told you that machines are now creating art, making life-changing decisions, and even shaping our future? Welcome to the AI revolution, where everything you thought you knew about creativity, work, and technology is being redefined. Buckle up because the machines are learning to think for themselves, and it's happening faster than you can imagine. The dawn of the AI era. Are we ready? We've reached a pivotal moment where artificial intelligence is no longer just a sci-fi fantasy, it's real, it's happening, and it's getting smarter every day. Machines can now learn, adapt, and in some cases, make decisions autonomously. But what does this mean for the future of humanity? Are we welcoming our new robot overlords, or are we risking a Terminator-style uprising? The truth is somewhere in between. While AI might not be planning to take over the world anytime soon, the advancements we've seen in 2024 are nothing short of mind-blowing. From AI-driven medical diagnosis to self-learning robots, and even AI art, machines are learning to think for themselves and are doing it faster than we ever imagined. Self-learning AI, the secret sauce behind the magic. The magic behind AI's self-learning capabilities lies in a technique known as reinforcement learning. This method has evolved to a level where machines can learn from their own actions. Imagine a robot playing chess, but instead of following programmed moves, it learns from its own mistakes and starts to anticipate its opponent's next move. AI systems like OpenAI's GPT-4, yes, the same one you're chatting with, are now capable of learning complex patterns by interacting with their environment, much like a child learns to ride a bicycle. It's not just about feeding them data anymore, they're actively engaging with the world, processing experiences, and improving over time. And yes, while this might sound like the beginning of Skynet, it's actually just the start of AI becoming more autonomous and efficient across industries. Your new best friend or worst nightmare? This year has seen a surge in personalized AI chatbots that can hold conversations like real people. These chatbots aren't just spitting out canned responses, they've been trained on massive amounts of data to understand context, tone, and emotion. Imagine chatting with your virtual assistant and actually feeling like you're speaking with a human except without the awkward small talk. But here's where it gets wild. AI can now mimic empathy. Using emotional cues and context, these chatbots can offer advice, give condolences, or even crack jokes, all tailored to your mood. The implications? We're seeing a shift in customer service, mental health support, and even relationships. However, there's a fine line between helpful and creepy. Do we want AI to understand our deepest emotions, or should there be limits? It's a question we'll be grappling with for years. AI in healthcare, saving lives and playing God. AI is revolutionizing healthcare by not only diagnosing diseases, but also by creating personalized treatment plans. In fact, AI-powered systems like DeepMind and IBM Watson Health are now capable of analyzing medical data faster and more accurately than humans. AI is also making strides in drug discovery, where it can simulate and predict the effects of new drugs without the need for extensive clinical trials. In some cases, AI has already been instrumental in discovering new treatments for diseases that have stumped doctors for decades. But the big question remains, can we trust a machine with something as personal as our health? And where do we draw the line when AI begins making decisions that affect life and death? The creative genius of AI, machines making art. AI is not just assisting in the creative process, it's creating on its own. With technologies like generative adversarial networks, two AIs collaborate. One creates content, while the other critiques it, leading to mind-blowing results. This feedback loop produces art that's often indistinguishable from human-made pieces. AI-generated art is now being sold in galleries, with some fetching millions at auctions. These pieces aren't just copies, they bring fresh, innovative styles and concepts to the table. However, this raises the big question. Can a machine truly be creative, or is it simply remixing existing ideas? While AI art is created by analyzing vast datasets, it's the unique combinations and interpretations of these ideas that seem to spark creativity. As AI art becomes more widespread, we'll need to reconsider what creativity means and whether machines can ever match human ingenuity. AI in the job market, friend or foe? As AI continues to evolve, one of the biggest concerns is its impact on the job market. Machines are now capable of automating tasks that were once done by humans, such as data entry, customer support, and even complex decision-making. In industries like manufacturing and retail, robots and AI systems are performing repetitive tasks with incredible efficiency, which raises the question, what happens to the millions of workers whose jobs are at risk? Will automation lead to mass unemployment, or is there a silver lining? In the next decade, it's estimated that millions of jobs will be automated, especially in industries like manufacturing, retail, and finance, where routine tasks can be easily handled by AI systems. But here's the twist. AI isn't just taking jobs, it's also creating new ones. AI has opened up entirely new fields, such as AI ethics consultants who ensure that AI systems are fair and responsible, and AI-driven content creators who work alongside machines to create everything from marketing materials to stories and artwork. Furthermore, the rise of robots has also created a demand for new jobs like robot caregivers and AI trainers, responsible for teaching machines how to interact with humans in empathetic ways. The key is to ensure that we're preparing the workforce for the AI-powered future, equipping workers with the necessary skills to adapt to a rapidly changing job market. Who's responsible for AI's actions? As AI becomes more autonomous, the question of responsibility looms large. Who is liable when an AI makes a mistake or causes harm? Is it the creators, the users, or the machine itself? Experts are still grappling with how to establish ethical guidelines for AI. One example is autonomous vehicles. While self-driving cars have the potential to reduce accidents, they've also sparked debates over who's at fault if a crash occurs. Can we trust machines to make ethical decisions, or do we need human oversight? AI and privacy. Big brother or benevolent guardian? With great power comes great responsibility. And when it comes to AI, privacy is a major concern. AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of personal data has raised alarm bells for many. From facial recognition technology to personalized advertisements, AI is learning more about us than ever before. On the flip side, AI also has the potential to protect our privacy. For instance, AI can detect and prevent cyber attacks in real time by analyzing patterns of malicious activity. The challenge will be balancing the benefits of AI with the need to protect personal privacy. AI in space. Machines reaching for the stars. AI is now being used to explore space, with autonomous spacecraft and rovers collecting data from far-off planets and moons. NASA's Perseverance rover uses AI to navigate Mars, making real-time decisions about where to go and what to analyze next. But the real kicker? AI is being used to discover new exoplanets and even study the cosmos. Machines are learning to make decisions based on data from light years away, helping us understand the universe in ways we never thought possible. Will machines outthink us? As we look to the future of AI, one thing is clear: the machines are learning faster than we ever imagined. We're on the brink of what some experts are calling the AI singularity, a moment when machines surpass human intelligence. But before we panic, it's worth noting that AI, at its core, is a tool. The question is how we choose to wield that tool. Will we use AI to solve the world's most pressing problems, or will we let it get out of control? The AI revolution is here, and it's up to us to steer it in the right direction. Whether it's improving healthcare, creating art, or exploring space, AI potential is limitless. But the real question remains: can we keep up with the machines, or will we become their humble servants? That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this dive into the AI revolution, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to stay updated on the latest tech trends. Hit the bell to get notified whenever we upload new content. Let us know your thoughts on AI in the comments below. Are machines truly creative? Or is human ingenuity still unmatched?